The only thing, the table's fucking wobbly, so that's like a minus point. I'm about to hit, you see this big sign, bro? We about to hit this shit out the... Yep.
Oh, you got that. Player thinks he's good at all sports.
I'm like, dude, I can hit a ball fucking far. What is going on with this shit? It's broken. Come on, man. Yo, we are at, where are we?
New York, no cheese.
We are at what?
New York, no cheese.
We're not in New York.
That's what's fun.
Alright, whatever. Dumb fucking name, because we're in Florida. But we're at New York grilled cheese. We got the Brooklyn sandwich. Pretty fire. Nice pulled pork, cheese, onions, the goods, you know what I'm saying? It's a very solid pulled pork sandwich. I would give it a good rating. It comes with the side of tomato basil sauce. The only thing, the table's fucking wobbly, so that's like a minus point. The fries pretty crinkly, crispy. You dip them in the sauce. Very good. You know, overall rating, I'm very happy. Kyle showed me, you know, Kyle, he came here. He showed me the place. It's pretty good.
Yeah, alright. Can you chill?
That's how you lock your car. Grab Shaq.
Bomb.
I'm about to hit one out the fucking stadium. I'm about to hit, you see this big sign, bro? We about to hit this shit out the... Yep. I don't want my hat to fly off. Watch.
I'm watching. Let's see it.
Oh, you got that.
Oh, yeah, wait, hold on. Oh!
There we go. It was about time. 109 yards.
I can hit it farther than
Alright.
Alright, that was my first time.
Where'd she hit it?
5 feet.
Oh, yeah. 21 yards, baby.
No, I was afraid I was going to throw it. That's my biggest fear because my hand is sweating.
Already? From what?
Dude, I need batting gloves. You got no leg movement.
I know, that was my warm-up shot.
He whiffed again. He whiffed again. What is this, dude?
Give me one more. I got it. Science. Oh, yeah. That was pretty far.
140.
Dude, I hit that ball 90 miles an hour.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, you gotta be loose. It's all about being loose. Watch.
Yeah, that went right to the ground.
Are you recording me?
She's good.
Nowhere.
He thought that was gonna look cool. It didn't look that very cool at all.
It looked like it went far.
No, it didn't. Went 33 yards. Wow. Yeah, but that was just straight up.
Yeah, how do I hit a line drive and not straight up?
I don't know. I don't play golf.
I thought that went farther. Maybe the men's one's got more go to it. Give me the men's one then. I'm gonna hit a liner.
Yeah, where did it go? Oh, yeah, that was a great one.
Baseball player thinks he's good at all sports.
I'm like, dude, I can hit a ball fucking far. It's all about the loose, you know? What the fuck? Fucking off.
There you go.
What is going on with this shit? It's broken.
Let's see right here, Mr. Kyle B. Big time swing. Big time, big time. Nope. Any day now.
And now scheduled for our Broadway interruption. That was a terrible swing. We don't even need to look at the results, but we could for a little laugh. It was hit only an astonishing 25 yards.
Oh, there you go. He really got angry on that one.
He really got angry on that one. Let's check the results. If we really check the results and we really study the analytics, we know that Kyle hit that exactly, precisely 124.9 yards with a duration of 4.1 seconds in the air.
Folks, you just missed a great big and whiff by Kyle A.B. himself, nobody better. Oh, and that one was sent right into the guardrail. Not very far, not very good, but it is a shot of nonetheless. This place is now called Drive Chic. Drive Chic. No K in the word. Wow, that was really smoked.
That was really smoked. A solid 120 yards, my prediction.
Let's check. All right, I'm next, boy. Solid prediction of, oh, he got it in the circle. This was 107.8 yards with a 4.0 second prediction. Dead center, baby.
Why are you putting it on there? You're not supposed to put it on there.
I know, I'm too like tense. I gotta be loose. Dude, it's hard.
Why not?
Give me a different one. This is terrible. Oh, that was smoked. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep going. 176 yards, bitch.
Let's see what he gets on this one. Oh, my top score of the night, he didn't miss it, but I just got 189 yards. The top score of the night right here. My also top score ever. You too. Woo! That's the best one I've seen all day. The best one right there. That was it.
What in the hell is that? All right, one more. Oh, one more.
See if he gets a shot here.
Woo! 214.5 yards.
130 miles an hour.
Bitch.
All right, chill out, boy. Relax. My turn now.
Oh, come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. That hit the fence. That hit the fence. 222.2 yards. New record.
134.
Beat that in the comments, baby. Put that in the shit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was the Drive Shack little segment. Your boy has the best in the group now with 222.2 yards hit on a drive. I'm gonna take you out with this smooth move, you know what I'm saying? Let's go, baby.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Did Lance go off? Yeah, he fell off.
Oh, Lance fell off. I forgot. He did a
Good
donut.
swimmer.
Yeah, he did a good.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our Florida trip. We are heading home.
No, we're still in Florida.
We
What
are
do you mean?
still right on the beach.
Yeah.
See the sunset.
The palm trees.
Chilling
in the palm.
Chilling in the palm trees.
But
This is 3 in the morning right now, so I don't know what the hell I'm talking
no,
about.
it's 4:30
4:30
a.m.
I don't know what the fuck
No
I'm
line for
saying.
security, so we just stopped here to chill for a second.
Yeah, we propped you boys up in the middle of the hallway.
This will be the end of the Florida adventures for me and Lance.
End of the
Until
Florida
next time.
trip. I'm gonna take you guys to town, boys.
I will see you back.
We will see you back in Connecticut.
You know the vibes. Peace. See you all later. Peace.
Take a
I am in the zone. You look tired. Are you tired?
No, I'm not tired.
You look great in that picture, man. We'll make sure to send it to all your Tinder profile pictures, friends.
He farted as he shot that too. I heard it, yeah. Hurry up, hurry up.
That was so cool. Come on. I'm getting this guy. Oh, I almost got him on the bench.
Alright, let me go.